Hope I don't get a copyright strike for the music in the background, but this is Spanky's, a Canadian-owned bar and restaurant. This is right down in Sosua, Spanky's. This is Casa Marina, 500 and 600 rooms or something there. This is a Canadian guy that's renovated this place next door. And this is the Sunset Beach room. Right now, you turn the waterfall off, but it's a former 17-room hotel that's set up with 10 individual condo titles. So needs a little work, but the price is right. Depending on what you want, if you want it furnished or you want, you know, what the website and all this stuff that goes with it, I guess it's could be $8.50 or something, or $8.25. Right now it's listed at $7.95. As is, take the property, unfurnished, boom. This is Sosua by the sea. I won't give you the lowdown on it yet because it's up in the air, but that is a huge opportunity for someone to make this something special. And of course down here we have, I think this is, I don't know, Marriott. What's going on here? And then Sosua Paradise is here. Now, I don't know if you know what those rooms go for, but it ain't $100 a night, I'll tell you that. 10 times that, at least. So this is the hotel and resort district. And this is going to be made something special. There's actually 90 titles on this thing. I think they're asking $7 million or something. Hola. Yeah. Thank you. I'm a Sosua across the street. So this, I don't know. This was actually, I asked them if they wanted to sell that. They just bought it. So now, oh, we got a rainbow going on. Cool. Sosua by the sea. Hola, amigo. Hola. Todo bien? Todo bien? And 90 titles. They're asking $7 million or something. This on the corner is a teardown. It was just purchased by an American guy. I'm not sure what the plans are. Oh, look, we got, what the hell? American guy bought it. I'm not sure what the plans are. I can get up to you. If you DM me, I'll find out. Again, Sosua by the sea. And then this is the private beach access. I've done these tours before, but not specifically in the area of the, like I haven't taken you around the whole neighborhood. I think I've done a couple walks up from the beach and showed you Sunset Beacher. But, so yeah, $7.95 American, 10 individual titles. If you wanted to run it as a hotel, you could do it with not a whole lot of cash. It's pretty much ready to go. Not all rooms are completely finished. It needs a little work. It needs, but still, you do the work, you sell the 9 units and keep the penthouse for yourself, plus all the profits. Hola, amigo.
Hola.
This was full earlier. This beach is packed with people. This is Casa Marina Beach, I guess you could call it. The backside of Sosua by the sea. Hola. So that's where we're at. You could not over-improve those rooms as condos or rentals, nightly, Airbnb, whatever you want to do. You could 5-star those things and get $2.25, $2.50 a night. Come on. If you had suites, like complete apartment buildings, you could get way more than that even. So, I'm just saying, it's a good play at $800 American And well, if you get some serious money and time, this one here for $7 million might be up your alley. But we got a few of them. We got one Chiquita Beach, 10 rooms, all cash business, doing 140 net a year at 1.4. We got 21 rooms downtown. Net's 250 a year at 2.1 mil. We've got Casa 22 listed at 1.099, and it's a 5-room boutique hotel right next door to Casa 21, which Casa 21 is getting 200, 225, and 250 a night per room for their boutique hotels. And these suites are very similar to that. That's the only reason I compare the two. And there's a rainbow over Sunset Beach here. Beautiful. It's landing. The rainbow is landing right at Sunset Beach. How about that? Okay, so that's it. Galleria here. And this is the corner. I'll figure out what's going on with it. Casa Marina over there. And if you want to buy a resort, what, 50 mil? I got you. No problem. We can get it for you. We do serious business at Casa Marina. So this is my jewel. This is what's gonna do it. And then of course Spanky's. You can't go wrong with Spanky's. Best wings in Sosua as far as I'm concerned. Breaded, no good size, deep fried with Frank's hot sauce. Ciao.